Hello, boho lovers! You are going to love this. I've picked out some incredible boho-style pieces from IKEA that will instantly bring warmth, style, and cozy vibes to your home. Stick around while I walk you through my favorite finds, because you might just discover your next must-have piece. And don't worry, everything is linked in the description for you. The LUBBAN serving cart is such a charming and practical piece. Just imagine this. You load it up with your morning coffee, a book, and maybe a little snack, then roll it over to your favorite cozy corner. Sounds like a dream, right? The basket underneath, perfect for storing blankets or magazines. And the metal tray on top, so easy to clean. The TORARED pendant lampshade is pure magic. It casts this warm golden glow while creating the most stunning shadow patterns on your walls. Instant cozy vibes. Imagine this beauty hanging over a dining table, a reading nook, or even in your bedroom. It just makes everything feel so much warmer and more inviting. Plus, because it's handmade from natural materials, each one is totally unique. The LOHALS rug is a jute masterpiece. It's got that natural, organic look that makes any space feel calm and grounded. And the best part, it's so versatile. Whether in the living room, under a dining table, or even in a cozy reading nook, this rug just works everywhere. And since it's flat woven, it's super easy to vacuum. Want to add instant character to your walls? The GILLSTAD wall decorations are it! This set of 3 hand-woven sedge plates brings such a natural boho vibe to any space. And they look amazing above a bed, a couch, or even in an entryway. And because each one is handmade, no two are exactly alike. How cool is that? The GAMMALBYN sofa is a game changer. Whether you're lounging, chatting, reading, or even sneaking in a quick nap, this sofa has your back. The movable cushions, total comfort customization. The fabric, super durable, so it's built to last. And the style, clean, modern, and the perfect neutral base to style with colorful pillows and cozy throws. The KORALLBUSKE cushion cover is a stunner with its classic beige and white stripes. So easy to mix and match with different decor styles. And the jute cotton blend? It adds just the right amount of texture to make any space feel cozy yet effortlessly stylish. You are going to fall in love with the SINNERLIG LED table lamp. Designed by Ilse Crawford, this hand-braided bamboo lamp gives off the most beautiful warm glow. It's like a cozy hug in lamp form. And it has a built-in dimmer, so you can set the mood however you like. Just imagine this in a cozy little corner with a book and a cup of tea. The Stockholm nesting tables are sleek, stylish, and so practical. The leaf-shaped design, gorgeous. You can use them separately or together, making them perfect for small spaces. Style them with a cute plant, a lamp, or a stack of books, and you've got an effortlessly chic setup that just works. The ULRIKSBERG armchair is a Rattan lover's dream. Lightweight, hand-woven, and bursting with natural charm. It's the kind of chair that instantly makes a space feel more relaxed and inviting. Add a fluffy cushion or a cozy throw, and boom, you've got the ultimate reading spot. And the best part? Rattan ages beautifully, so this chair just gets better with time. The KINNAHULT floor lamp is pure elegance. With its solid ash wood frame and clean Scandinavian design, it's the perfect blend of modern and traditional. The turned wood detailing adds just the right touch of sophistication, without being over the top. Perfect next to a sofa, in a reading nook, or even in a bedroom for that soft ambient glow. Who said laundry storage has to be boring? The TOLKNING laundry basket is here to prove that practical can be stylish. Handwoven from willow, it has that warm, natural look that blends effortlessly into any space. And get this, it comes with an inner bag that you can just lift out on laundry day. How convenient is that? And here's an example of how you can style a boho living room using the IKEA pieces I just shared. These items come together to create the perfect balance of warmth, texture, and effortless charm, making your space feel cozy and inviting. This bench is everything. The TOLKNING storage bench is the ultimate combo of form and function. Made of handwoven rattan, it doubles as extra seating while secretly hiding away all your clutter. Shoes in the entryway? Toss them in. Extra blankets in the bedroom? Done. Need an accent piece for the living room? This is it. And that woven texture? Pure perfection. It instantly makes a home feel more cozy, curated, and oh so chic. Calling all plant lovers and plant killers. The GILLSTAD ceramic cactus set is the cutest way to add a pop of green. Without the hassle of watering, zero maintenance, 100% adorable. Perfect for a shelf, desk, nightstand, or literally anywhere you need a little charm. The SNIDAD basket is the ultimate storage solution. Blankets, check. Pillows, check. Laundry, check. The hand-braided design adds so much warmth and texture, instantly elevating any space. And let's be real. Who doesn't love storage that looks this good? Organization has never been this effortlessly stylish. The Mörbylånga table is what dining dreams are made of. That rich oak veneer, stunning. The full plank design, gorgeous. And the floating tabletop with those dovetail joints, so sophisticated. Whether it's family dinners, game nights, or just your morning coffee, this table sets the perfect scene. The Lisabo chair is the definition of simple perfection. Made from ash veneer and solid birch, it brings that natural warmth that makes any space feel instantly inviting. Whether you're eating, working, or playing board games with friends, this chair is built for it all. And if you want to switch up the look, just add a cozy seat cushion and bam, instant refresh. Storage that doubles as decor? Yes, please. The Friken storage boxes are the perfect way to keep small items organized while adding a natural, stylish touch. Handwoven from seagrass, each box has unique textures and color variations that make them extra special. Perfect for stashing jewelry, keys, or those little essentials you always seem to misplace. And here's an example of how you can style a boho dining room using the IKEA pieces I just shared. These items combine warmth, natural textures, and that perfect cozy vibe to make your dining space feel inviting and full of character. These IKEA boho-style pieces are absolutely irresistible. The textures, the natural details, the effortless charm, they will bring so much character to any space. Which ones caught your eye? Let me know in the comments. A huge thank you to all the new subscribers. I'm beyond grateful for your support. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out on my latest picks. Everything's linked in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.